drinking too much coffee? How about salt? Are you consuming enough of the omega fatty acids? The answer may be in your genes. I'm leading nutritionist Meg Marie O'Rourke, and I'm super excited to let you know that I'm adding nutrigenomics to my practice. Nutrigenomics is a field of study that looks at why some people respond differently than others to food. Biomarkers determine whether you're sensitive to gluten, lactose, or salt, and so much more.
Our research at the University of Toronto has shown that small variations in certain genes could have a significant effect on the way our body responds to the foods and nutrients we consume. Our 45 gene test is based on the latest scientific discoveries, and we now know much more about how an individual responds based on their genetics. One particular genetic marker that we identified affects how your body breaks down caffeine, and we've shown that for some individuals who have this particular version of the gene, coffee increases their risk of heart disease, but for those who don't, it might actually be protective. Research shows that the effects of a high-protein diet on weight loss depend on a version of the FTO gene. Those who have a particular version of this gene are much more successful at losing weight compared to those who don't.
Recent studies have shown that people are more highly motivated to adapt to better eating habits based on information from their genes versus general information for the public. It's a simple test where we take just a sample of your saliva. It's sent to the labs to help you determine how you should be eating according to your genes.
Our test is available only through qualified healthcare practitioners because it's important for this kind of information to be interpreted correctly.
Each genetic test has been validated by experts in the field and approved by our International Science Advisory Board.
Our advisory board ensures that the tests we develop are based on the best science available. It has to be evidence-based. The Nutrigenomics test kit is now being used by thousands of practitioners around the world, and the report is now available in several different languages.
For more information, come to our free webinar. Just click the link below for the free webinar and learn why genes matter.